Hello guys, welcome to my channel Zero Flip. 9 Korean dramas are coming in this month. Let's see what are those. Into the Ring is the story of newly demoted Seo Gong-myung and newbie councillor member Go Se-ra join forces to penalize corrupt politicians. Seo Gong-myung is the efficient and hard-nosed elite civil servant who can multitask with ease and is also known as #1 handsome man on the District People's Committee. However, he is cold, prickly and unapproachable at the best of times. Go Se-ra is a lower-class woman with little education and money, but she can still talk a good game and punch well above her own weight. She is also known as Queen of Civil Complaints. Good detective drama is about the race between people, those who want to get closer to the truth and those who want to cover it up. Kang Do-chan has worked as a detective for past 18 years. He was born and raised in Incheon. He investigates cases using his experience and personal connections. Oh Ji-wook is an elite detective with 9 years of experience. Unlike Kang Do-chan, he investigates cases using evidence and insight into the criminal psyche. Due to trauma from his childhood, he doesn't share his feelings to anyone. He is wealthy thanks to his late uncle who left him with a large inheritance. Jin Si-kyu works as a newspaper reporter with 5 years of experience and passionate about her work. To All the Boys Who Loved Me is a romantic comedy about a woman who chooses to remain single after getting hurt from past relationship and a man who wants to change his relationship with this woman through love. The story will combine the theme of a past life with realistic topics such as marriage and remaining single. Was It Love tells the story of No Ye-jung, a movie producer and single mom who has been living on her own for 14 years. Despite having already given up on her romance, she suddenly finds herself embarking on an unexpected second chapter of her story when 4 men walk into her life at the same time. First one is No Ye-jung's ex-boyfriend, Oh Dae-oh, who is best-selling novelist. Second one is A-list actor Ryu Jin, whose real personality is different from movie star personality. Next one is Oh Yeon-woo, who is physical education teacher. He looks cheerful and confident. Last but not least, Kupa-do, who is tough and has mainly aura as the scary but sexy former gangster who is now a CEO. She Knows Everything is about mysterious cases take place at an apartment complex which is about to go under reconstruction. Lee Gung-book is a real estate agent that works with the apartments there. She has middle-some type of personality. In Chul-woo is an experienced detective who helped her to solve these cases. Graceful Friends is the story of a group of friends who have ordinary and peaceful lives. They have known each other for 20 years, but suddenly their life changes when a murder takes place. Train is about a man who lost a precious person because of a serial killer. He crosses over into a different world to figure out the truth behind her death. Seo Do-won is a detective and he is passionate about his job. Han Se-kyun is a prosecutor with an honest personality. Lee Jung-min is a member of Scientific Investigation Unit. She is Seo Do-won's childhood friend and his first love. She supports Seo Do-won's in his every work. United effort to accomplish one thing is a story of Bitna, is the daughter of famous painter who wants billion of won in property. A furious battle takes place over the property with Bitna becoming involved. She tries to figure out the truth. Flower of Evils tells the story about Cha Ji-won, who is a detective. She is married to Baek Hee-sung and they have a daughter. Baek Hee-sung seems like a committed husband and a father, but he hides his cruel past and lives under another person's identity. He deceives his wife completely. Cha Ji-won learns his deception and changes his past. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and share.